know they had a comeback until like today when it came out. So here we are.
Yes.
But I vaguely like Weeb, but I really like Galaxy.
Yeah, I like their songs, but I don't know any of their members' names, so everything will just be very vague. Like, I like the person with this hair who's wearing this, they're all really cute. But
They are
They're all
really
real cute. They're all really talented.
Very
It's
talented.
true.
Gonna have to try not to cry.
Yeah. Since
Yeah.
the recent.
Yeah. Not recent.
Not recent, but.
Not recent.
Okay, their last.
Yes.
Awfulness. Anyways.
Anyways.
Leggy.
Let's go with the leggy. Ooh, I like this.
It sounds like Mama Moo.
It does a bit. That's gonna be quite loud. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh. I like her bro.
Ooh. Your house is leaking.
Oh, that outfit.
Oh.
Oh my god, I really like that outfit.
I can't remember.
So that's Zuni.
Yeah, Zuni.
Zuni, yeah.
Oh my god, I like the umbrella. I do too.
I really want one. They each get one. Is that one
That was
actually?
like real flowers.
Swear. Is that a jumper she's wearing?
It sure is.
Goodness.
Anyone else think?
Oh,
Anyone else think the chandelier looks like BTS?
Yes, it does. Ooh,
Those umbrellas.
Okay, so that's Soja. Yes. And then Ashley has the pencil. Yes. Really like that story.
I like this
Oh
dance.
no, the fish! Save them! I hope they didn't actually kill the fish.
That's real sad.
so aesthetic.
Oh.
These umbrellas. Also like guidance things.
Yeah.
Oh.
I like her nose freckle.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's like
They're wearing her shoes too. God, her voice. She has such a fucking great voice.
Ooh, that seems dangerous.
Yeah.
I love her.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This is a cool scene.
Fish. She should have at least gotten like rubber fish.
Oh, that is. Oh my gosh. Getting like major chills right now. Like this, like.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Ooh. Her voice. Oh, she's so cute. This reminds me of the photo of you.
The umbrella.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's amazing. Oh,
I
and
really
this-
like that.
It's really good.
I really love this.
Oh man.
Wow, yeah. I really like when groups have like similar outfits with different styles, like the pantsuit and the dress and like the asymmetrical thing. It was
Right.
the same pattern.
Yeah, it almost, it's like a perfume kind of vibe. almost.
Yeah.
Even the song was very perfume.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
I liked it a lot.
Oh my gosh, the aesthetic of the umbrellas was like, that was a cool idea.
Yeah,
Those are so pretty.
Like, and they stuck all the, and I don't know if those, they look like real flowers too, like they
They
just
might
stuck all
have
the real flowers in
Yeah.
there.
Speaking of real things, poor fish.
Oh, why?
Every
Mild
time
animal
one
cruelty.
dropped, I was like,
Oh. and I felt it, but not too much. It wasn't like they were
The beginning was
trying
very
to-
Mama Moo.
Yeah.
For a
But
second,
then
yeah.
once it like actually got into the song, it's very different.
Yeah.
The song is
Jam!
it's
really good.
Yeah.
Like that rainy day, but everything's gonna be okay.
Especially with that sunny moment.
Yeah.
And then, with Zuni?
Zuni
yeah.
is the blonde one.
Yeah.
She's walking around the class and stuff.
Yeah.
All happy.
Who was it in the plastic bag?
Yeah.
I'm concerned for her.
Sojourn was in the bag.
That and then when I wasn't sure who it was, but someone stepped they stepped on glass.
Yeah.
I don't think they were hurt by it, but still watching it was kind of like.
Cringe.
But all the like glass shatterings, like scenes and all those
Yeah.
aesthetics were on point. Like
Really, really cool. And having it with the gentleness of the rain and then showing the raindrops falling really hard and then juxtaposed by those balls just like breaking through the glass. It was really, really cool. Like their umbrella was gonna protect them. But you're not quite sure if it was going to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was the cool thing too, is like it was like raindrops, and then you notice it turned into crystals.
Yeah.
But it hit the ground. It was like little crystals.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Very aesthetic. It felt
Yeah.
kind of like pseudo magical girl.
Yeah.
Not yet, probably, but they're gonna have those matching outfits and they're gonna transform into
Yeah.
and their powers will be fueled by their sadness.
Oh.
Basically the plot of an Ode for Magical. They all sound really good.
They do.
Their style of music lately has been so good. Agreed.
Good job.
Anyway,
Very good job.
I dig it. I'm gonna download it
I also
immediately.
dig it.
it's agreed.
We spent a good 5 minutes analyzing that bathroom scene.
We sure did.
Yeah.
There was a lot taken. I still
Yes.
don't know why there were 2 phones, and I still don't know what the thing in the background was.
Yes.
The not feather.
We just don't fucking know. It's a fucking mystery.
Why there's a piano in the bathroom?
You know, the sink was full of water. You could have put the fish into the sink if you were gonna break the fish bowl for sake of the
Honestly,
fish.